Good afternoon, class 5. Today in English literature, you have already studied. I have studied lesson 4, the Doctor Dolittle, and you have done the exercises also. Now in this video, I am just going to explain you this exercise which you have done in grammar section. Now identify these sentences. Means in this sentence, here you have to identify the kinds of sentences, whether it is affirmative, interrogative, imperative, or an exclamatory sentence. So you have just note down. आपने note down कर लिया था. You have already studied in your language, English language, sentences and its kinds. So one more time I am going to explain you in this video about sentences and its kinds. As you know that what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense, and a sentence contains a subject and a verb. Okay, sentence माने group of words जो complete sense बनाते हैं. ठीक है, it makes a complete sense, gives out a complete meaning, that is known as a sentence. So birds fly in the sky. Children are playing in the park. Okay, there is a subject, there is a verb, subject भी है, verb भी है. ठीक है, तो ये होता है sentences. So there are 4 kinds of sentences basically: affirmative, or you can say declarative, or you can say assertive. Okay, second one is interrogative, third is imperative, and number 4 is exclamatory. Now first we will talk about affirmative sentence. What is an affirmative sentence? A sentence which declares something about the subject. ठीक है, about the action of the subject. Means declare something or state something. कुछ बताता है sentence में, declare करता है. ठीक है, और it shows the facts. तो all these sentences, simple sentences are known as affirmative sentences, or you can say declarative sentence, or you can say assertive sentence. ठीक है, आप इसमें आपने ये भी पढ़ा था कि assertive sentences are of 2 types, positive and negative. ठीक है, जो affirmative sentences होते हैं आपके 2 types के होते हैं. positive जिसमें नेगेटिव रेस्पॉन्स नहीं मिलता है, नॉट नहीं लगा रहता है, दे आर पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. एंड नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस में आपने पढ़ा था कि जिसमें नॉट लगा रहता है, दोज आर नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. सो दैट डिटेल्स यू कैन स्टडी इन योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज बुक. सो हियर वेरी शॉर्टली आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. सो दिस इज नोन एज एन affirmative sentence which declares or states something. Next is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence is very simple. It asks questions. Okay, the sentences which ask questions are known as interrogative sentences. Number 4 is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences, it shows the type of command, request you are making in the sentence. आप किसी से request कर रहे हो, command दे रहे हो, order दे रहे हो. ठीक है, तो all these are known as the imperative sentences. जैसे open the door, please give me a glass of water. Open the door, it sounds like a command. किसी को command दे रहे हो आप. Please give me a glass of water, it sounds like a request. आप किसी से request कर रहे हो, please लगा रहे हो. ठीक है, so these types of sentences are known as imperative sentences. Interrogative asks questions, affirmative declares something. Next is exclamatory. It shows the feeling. ठीक है, expressions, एक्सप्रेस फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस करना. ठीक है, जैसे वाओ, व्हाट अ वंडरफुल बिल्डिंग, व्हाट अ नाइस डे. ठीक है, व्हाट अ प्लेजेंट मॉर्निंग. इन ऑल दिस टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस वी आर एक्सप्रेसिंग आवर फीलिंग्स. ओके, एक्सप्रेशंस. तो these types of sentences are known as exclamatory sentence. Now you can easily identify the kinds of sentences. Okay, let's see what will you do during the holidays. Now don't see the answer, just put your hands on the answer and you can easily identify after listening the explanation कि what will you do during the holidays. Very simple. First it is given, in this sentence the question has been asked and question mark लगा हुआ है. Very simple, it is interrogative. Okay, next, Tim knows what he will be wearing to the party. यहाँ डिक्लेयर किया गया है कि टिम को पता है कि वो पार्टी में क्या पहनेगा, तो इट इज़ अ सिंपल सेंटेंस, सो इट इज़ एफर्मेटिव. What a wonderful painting Sheetal has drawn. You can see the exclamation mark here. Very simply you can identify this sentence. It is an exclamatory sentence. The feeling is कितनी अच्छी पेंटिंग शीतल ने ड्रॉ की है. You are expressing your feeling. You are expressing your joy कि आप कितने खुश हो, ठीक है, शीतल के लिए कि उसने कितना अच्छा काम किया है. तो an exclamation sign is given, that means it is an exclamatory sentence. Please tell me what you would like to have with your tea. ठीक है, अब यहाँ देखो प्लीज़ लगा है, मीन्स यू आर रिक्वेस्टिंग कि आप बताइए प्लीज़ कि आप टी क्या लेना चाहेंगे चाय के साथ. तो इट इज़ एन, आप मैंने बताया रिक्वेस्ट कमांड, तो इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. ठीक है. यू नीड टू फिगर आउट हाउ टू सॉल्व इट बाय टुमारो. सिंपल डिक्लेयर किया गया है कि मतलब स्टेट किया गया है कि आपको देखना है कि कैसे आप इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करेंगे, तो बाय टुमारो. तो दिस इज़ अ असर्टिव. ओके. हाउ सॉफ्ट, सॉरी डिक्लेयर नहीं किया गया, इसमें आपको जैसे कमांड दी गई है कि आपको फिगर आउट करना है कि कैसे सॉल्व करोगे इसको बाय टुमारो. तो ये आपका हो गया इम्पेरेटिव. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज हाउ सॉफ्ट एंड मॉइस्ट द केक इज. अगेन एक्सक्लेमेशन साइन, एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस. ओके. नेक्स्ट, राजीव हैज़ बीन थिंकिंग ऑफ हाउ ही कैन सेव सम मनी. Rajiv has been thinking how he can save some money. Declare something. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया affirmative simple sentence है. How are your pets doing? Question mark, that is interrogative sentence. So see how simple it how is it to identify the sentences, kinds of sentences. Okay, so practice it at home. ठीक है, do some more examples. You can find it in your English language book also. Okay children, thank you.